Obviously, as an HR leader, you have many stakeholders, many customers. Depending on how broadly you see your role, it's not only the employees and, of course, the senior leaders and managers in the team. It's also your external stakeholders. It could be the board, it could be your larger constituents, depending how widely you see your view. That being said, when we think about trying to use technology to serve our people and to drive both that human and digital touch, if we don't consider, to Raju's earlier point, the expectations of our people, and not only the people who are currently working for our company, but our prospective employers and their expectations, which are shaped by our consumer devices and how easy it is to search, to order, to find things online. If we don't consider that, we will fall short, not only frustrating people, but hindering performance and productivity and dampening engagement of the employees. So my answer would be an unqualified yes.
I absolutely agree. And I think the primary thing one needs to sit back and look at is the definition of who is your customer. And you're absolutely right. It's not the person that's got a badge already in place and is able to log in and come back into the environment. It's the potential candidate that will make its way into the organization at some point. It is the retiree that still needs to be engaged in terms of benefits and everything that we do. So we deal with a spectrum of a customer definition that needs to be accounted for in how we operate and what we do. And there are different modalities in terms of how we operate depending on where they're coming from, right? The brand is one aspect as you look at the front end of the funnel and the pipeline, and the sustenance of the retiree population in terms of what they need to be doing, which is a little more different than what the regular FTE employee definition looks like. To me, adoption, again, comes back down to build and they'll come. Nobody's coming. So be part of it, be inclusive in what we are doing. We within Nissan, as we launch into our journeys and our specific work streams, we always attest the need for a champion committee, which is from the business, from the stakeholder definitions, and obviously the executive level stakeholder involvement is key and critical, but it's also the grassroots of people that are going to be touching and using this on a day basis. Do they have their buy-in? And are they part of the solution? And are they talking the good things they need to talk as they take this to their peers and groups and across the board? So it's not just HR and the tech piece driving it, but it's also a grassroots moment that happens that enables the adoption to happen finally, end of the day.